cloud storage system is like having a hard drive on the internet. It is a place where you can store all your files and access them easily for any device and place. Some storage systems offer more capacity than others and have better connectivity between devices. What are the best storage options? Google Drive and Google One. Drive offers multiple advantages. In one place you can access online word processors, in the same way saving files and sharing them with other users. When you open the account, you will get 15 gigs of free storage. There are several plans and packages so you can expand your storage. Dropbox. It has a tool to synchronize with your computer that goes on the web, so that the files that pass from your cell phone to the cloud are accessible from your computer without logging in again. It offers other services such as Dropbox Paper, a collaborative workspace to work as a team. iCloud. Apple users have iCloud, which allows you to synchronize the files you save in it and access them in another one of your computers, as well as share with other people. One of its main advantages is that the photos you make with your iPhone or iPad are automatically saved. It also makes periodic backup copies with high resolution in the service, while a lower quality version remains in the device. In addition, you can create shared folders with whoever you want. OneDrive. It is the Microsoft service that offers 5 gigs of free storage. Some versions offer Office 365 to make shared presentations or text documents and offers individual and business options. Flickr. In your payment service, you have statistics and backup copies, discounts on Adobe programs and unlimited storage.